just came to say hello.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crappy Corner. So I am in here working away, putting together some of the other bodicology concepts that I had come up with in this little scattered brain of mine. And this is another one that I have put together today. So let me just swing you around here and show you. Okay, this is just a bodicology concept with using the fireside s'mores. Our cozy fireside s'mores. We have the body mist, the body lotion, and the body scrub. I have placed some bath bombs here, our champagne wishes with 3 of the bath bombs. These 3 came from Temu, came out of a bag that was full of them. And then this one from Dollar Tree. All right, I put a loofah in there. We have our candy as well as our lip gloss and lip liner, which let me show you that. So we have the lip gloss, lip liner. All right, and there's our candy. And then I have the monkey in here. He is holding the body mist and the body lotion. Got his arms wrapped around him, and I got him holding them pretty tight. But everything is snug down in here. I think this is a very, very cute Valentine's basket. I put a little bling on the front of the basket just to dress it up a little bit. So this is another one done. I'm going to get it wrapped up. Another affordable gift. Just about everything in here came from Dollar Tree except the Bodycology, which came from Bargain Hunt. So these were $2, so 2, 4, $5.25, and $7.25. $9.50. So under $10 to make, including the bucket, which was $1.25. Alright, I think it turned out really cute. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, y'all, be a blessing.
I just came to say hello.